Contractor Foreman makes it easy for you to track and manage your incidents. Incidents happen. Incidents of all kinds, whether injury reports, hazardous situations, employee issues, discipline write-ups, etc. Automatically get notified when an incident happens. Now you can track and respond quickly and accordingly. See patterns and make corrections so that it doesn't happen again. We make write-ups easy. Liability is real. Protect yourself with a proper record. Sometimes you have to write up an employee. Maybe it was minor or maybe it was serious. Either way, it needs to be recorded, even if only for HR. When that time arises, we have you covered. From discipline type to actions taken to employee signature line and photo capability, we meet your HR needs. Contractor Foreman helps you manage near misses. Prevent an accident from happening by knowing what to solve. Near misses are one step away from an accident. Did someone fail to protect the job site or hazardous condition? It's good you found it before OSHA did. Now fix it. And because you are busy and easily distracted sometimes, Contractor Foreman will help keep this fix from falling through the cracks. Start a free trial now and see how Contractor Foreman makes it easy for you to track and manage your incidents.